Are you tired of dealing with acid reflux, gastritis, and other stomach issues? Look no further. In this video, we will explore natural Ayurvedic remedies to help alleviate these problems. One effective solution is the Ayurvedic diet. By following this diet, you can reduce the amount of acid produced in your stomach, helping to alleviate symptoms like heartburn and indigestion. Another great option is Ayurvedic medicine specifically formulated for acidity and gastritis. These natural remedies can help soothe the stomach lining, reduce inflammation, and promote overall digestive health. If you have low stomach acid, Ayurveda has a solution for that too. Through various herbal remedies and dietary adjustments, you can increase your stomach acid production, improving digestion and reducing symptoms like bloating and gas. But what about those experiencing an increase in stomach acid? Ayurveda can help address this issue as well. By balancing the body's doshas, you can reduce excess acid production and ease the uncomfortable burning sensation in your stomach. One powerful herb to consider is amla, also known as amalaki. Amla has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to treat acid reflux. Its cooling properties can help neutralize stomach acid and promote a healthy digestive system. It's important to understand that low stomach acid and high stomach acid have different symptoms, and Ayurveda offers tailored treatments for each condition. So consult an Ayurvedic practitioner to identify the root cause of your stomach issues and receive personalized solutions. In conclusion, Ayurveda offers a holistic approach to treating acid reflux, gastritis, and other stomach issues. By incorporating the Ayurvedic diet, exploring Ayurvedic medicines, and incorporating herbs like amla, you can find relief and promote a healthy digestive system naturally. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and remedies.
If you have been struggling with these digestive concerns, you're in the right place. We will discuss the effectiveness of the Ayurvedic diet and medicines in alleviating symptoms such as burning sensation in the stomach, which is 1 teaspoon of amalaki in warm water. One of the key solutions we'll uncover is the Ayurvedic diet for acid reflux, cooling and soothing foods that help calm the digestive system. Include sweet, bitter, and astringent tastes in your meals. Incorporate leafy greens, cucumbers, fennel, and coriander into your dishes. Avoid trigger foods. Steer clear of foods that can aggravate acid reflux symptoms. Minimize or avoid spicy, hot, and acidic foods such as chili peppers, citrus fruits, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and vinegar. Pay attention to your body's reaction and modify your diet accordingly. Cooked and digestible meals. Cooked meals rather than raw foods, as they are generally easier to digest. Prepare light and nourishing meals using steamed or sautéed vegetables, whole grains like rice and quinoa, and lean proteins such as tofu or small portions of white meat, poultry or fish. Gentle spices and herbal teas. Coriander seeds, saffron, and cumin seeds aid digestion and promote a balanced stomach acid level. Fresh ginger only. Coriander tea. 1 teaspoon of coriander seed boiled in 1 cup of water, strained and cooled. Add date sugar if need sweetener. Add these spices to your cooking or enjoy them as herbal teas to soothe the digestive system. Here are the classic Ayurvedic medicine for acidity and gastritis, highlighting potent herbal remedies that have been used for centuries to promote digestive health. Here is the recipe. Take equal amounts of fennel seeds, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds. Boil in 2 cups of water down to 1 cup, then strain and drink slowly over a day. Hing, which is a sophatida, a garlic substitute, can be ordered from Amazon and taken in capsule form for reducing gastritis. Another remarkable remedy we'll focus on is amla, also known as amalaki, and its benefits in managing acid reflux. Amla, with its high vitamin C content and a myriad of antioxidants, acts as a potent digestive aid and supports a healthy gut. Amla possesses cooling and soothing properties, making it an effective remedy for excess stomach acidity. By reducing heat in the digestive system, amla can help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. Digestive tonic. Amla acts as a potent digestive tonic, enhancing overall digestive function. It stimulates the secretion of digestive juices and enzymes, including stomach acid, which aids in proper digestion. By improving digestion, amla helps prevent the buildup of undigested food that can contribute to increased stomach acidity. Gastric protection. Amla possesses antioxidant properties that protect the gastric mucosa from damage caused by excess stomach acid. It forms a protective layer on the stomach lining, reducing inflammation and irritation. This protective effect helps prevent the development of gastric ulcers and promotes the healing of existing ulcers. Alleviates hyperacidity symptoms. Amla can provide relief from common symptoms of hyperacidity, such as heartburn, bloating, and indigestion. Its natural cooling properties help soothe the burning sensation and discomfort associated with excess stomach acid. Amla also helps regulate bowel movements, reducing the chances of acid reflux and gastric discomfort. Regular consumption of amla can strengthen the digestive system, improve nutrient absorption, and restore balance to the digestive fire, Agni. This helps maintain optimal stomach acid levels and prevents fluctuations that contribute to acid-related issues. Amla is an Ayurvedic superfood that can improve your overall digestive well-being. Amla can enhance your overall digestive capacity and combat acidity effectively. Differentiating between low stomach acid and an increase in stomach acid can help you better understand your condition. Symptoms of low stomach acid. 1. Bloating and discomfort after meals. 2. Feeling full quickly while eating. 3. Belching or gas shortly after eating. 4. Acid reflux or heartburn. 5. Nausea or vomiting. 6. Undigested food in stools. 7. Weak or brittle nails. 8. Nutritional deficiencies, iron, vitamin B12, etc. Causes of low stomach acid. 1. Age-related decline in stomach acid production. 2. Chronic stress or anxiety. 3. Helicobacter pylori infection. 4. Autoimmune conditions affecting the stomach lining. 5. Pernicious anemia, a condition that affects vitamin B12 absorption. 6. Long-term use of acid-suppressing medications. Symptoms of increased stomach acid. 1. Burning sensation or pain in the upper abdomen, heartburn. 2. Acid regurgitation, sour taste in the mouth. 3. Difficulty swallowing or feeling like food is stuck. 4. Nausea or vomiting, especially after meals. 5. Bloating and belching. 6. Black, tarry stools, indicating gastrointestinal bleeding. Causes of increased stomach acid. 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. 4. Smoking. 5. Certain medications, e.g., non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. 4. Bloating and discomfort after meals. Ayurvedic treatments and explanation of causes of the increase in stomach acids versus low stomach acids. Increased stomach acid in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, increased stomach acid is referred to as amlapita. When pitta becomes imbalanced, it can lead to excessive acid production. Common causes of amlapita include consuming spicy, greasy, or acidic foods, excessive anger or stress, and irregular eating habits. Ayurvedic treatments for increased stomach acid aim to pacify pitta dosha and restore balance to the digestive system. 2. Emphasizing cooling and calming foods such as 3. Fruits, apples, blueberries. 4. Vegetables, dark leafy greens cooked as a soup, steamed broccoli, cauliflower, boiled beets in a salad, cilantro, coriander, fennel. 5. Whole grains, quinoa, couscous, buckwheat, and 6. Herbal teas. 6. Take a mild laxative like Smooth Move tea and only steep for 3 to 9 minutes rather than 15 minutes. This is to flush acid. 6. This is one of the most effective Ayurvedic treatments for flushing acid that I have used for over 30 years in my Ayurvedic practice. 7. Avoid hot and spicy foods, caffeine, alcohol, and citrus fruits. 8. Herbal remedies. Using herbs like aloe vera, licorice, fennel, coriander, and Indian gooseberry, amla, to soothe the digestive system and reduce acidity. 9. Lifestyle changes. Practicing stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. 10. This cannot be overemphasized. Maintaining regular meal times and avoiding overeating. 10. Must eat the largest meal of the day between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. if at all possible. 10. This is the time of the day that secretes the highest amount of stomach acid. 10. If you don't eat at appropriate times, the body gets a strong secretion of stomach acid directly on the inner lining of the stomach and becomes very inflamed, leading to infection and ulceration. Low stomach acid in Ayurveda. Ayurveda refers to low stomach acid as mandani, or weak digestive fire. It is often associated with an imbalanced or weakened Agni. Factors contributing to mandani include a sedentary lifestyle, consuming heavy, oily, and processed foods, and excessive intake of cold and raw foods. Ayurvedic treatments for low stomach acid focus on strengthening Agni and enhancing digestion. Some approaches include: 1. Warmth and stimulation. Consuming warm, cooked, and easily digestible foods to ignite Agni. 1. Including spices like ginger, black pepper, cumin, and cardamom in meals. 2. Digestive herbal remedies. Using herbs like ginger, fennel, cumin, and ajwain, carom seeds, to stimulate digestion and increase stomach acid production. 3. Mindful eating. Eating in a calm and relaxed environment, chewing food thoroughly, and avoiding distractions to support the digestive process. 4. Lifestyle adjustments. Engaging in regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing stress levels to promote optimal digestion. Ayurvedic diet for severe low stomach acid. Warm and well-cooked foods. Focus on consuming warm and well-cooked foods as they are easier to digest. Choose soups, stews, steamed vegetables, and cooked grains. Avoid or minimize the intake of raw and cold foods, as they can be harder to digest and may further weaken Agni. Emphasize digestive spices. Incorporate digestive spices into your meals to stimulate stomach acid production and improve digestion. Some beneficial spices include ginger, black pepper, cumin, coriander, cardamom, fennel, and turmeric. Choose nourishing fats. Include healthy fats in your diet, such as ghee, clarified butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. These fats help lubricate the digestive system and support the absorption of nutrients. Light protein sources. Consume light protein sources that are easier to digest, such as mung beans, lentils, tofu, and small amounts of white meat, poultry, or fish. Soaking or sprouting legumes before cooking can further enhance the digestibility. Avoid heavy and processed foods. Steer clear of heavy, greasy, and processed foods as they can burden the digestive system and worsen low stomach acid symptoms. Minimize your intake of fried foods, processed meats, refined sugars, and packaged snacks. Some commonly used herbs include ginger, licorice, fennel, cumin, ajwain, carom seeds, and trikatu, a blend of black pepper, long pepper, and ginger.